Good morning, students. Welcome back to the last session of chapter number 3, Advanced Features of Access 2013. In the second session, we learned about form, creating a form, and formatting a form. I hope that you have practiced it at your home. In this session, we will learn about report in Access. So, let's begin. Standard 8 Subject Computer Chapter 3 Advanced Features of Access 2013 Session 3. First of all, let's see report. Reports are used to present data from tables or queries in a format that can be printed. Printouts of report cards, invoices are examples of reports. You cannot make changes to the data in a report. Students, you can work on a report in 4 views. First, report view. You can view data in this view but cannot make any design related changes. Second, print preview. This view displays the report as it will appear after printing. Third view is design view. Design view displays only the structure of your report. In this view, you cannot see the underlying data, but you can perform some tasks in design view that you cannot perform in layout view, such as view the header and footer sections. Fourth view, layout view. You can view the data and make changes in the report, such as change the size of various controls. Let's see creating a report. Students, let's see how to create a report in Access. First of all, select the table from the navigation pane. Here I am selecting doctor table. Double click on it and you can see doctor table here on the screen. Now students, go to the create tab and in the reports group you can see report option. Click on report option and then you can see the report is created and opens in layout view. Now 4 new tabs design, arrange, format and page setup appear in the ribbon. Okay students, now you have to save this report. So for that, click on the save option in quick access toolbar or you can go to file tab and click on the save option. Okay students, now here give an appropriate name, like here I am writing doctor report. Okay students, then click on the OK button. So here you can see that doctor report appear in the navigation pane. Okay students, are you getting? Yes. Now let's see formatting a report. Students, let's see how to format report. As we have already learned in formatting form, same as we have to format report. Okay students, so first of all click on design tab and then in header and footer group click on logo option. Okay students, now here dialog box of insert picture appear. Okay, now here select any one picture of your choice. Click on any one picture and click on OK button. Okay students, so you can see that our picture is inserted and now resize it. Okay students, then go to the header and footer group and click on title option. Here you have to type details. Okay students, now students, let's go to the format tab. Okay students, so here first of all let's insert background image. So click on background image in background group. Okay students, and click on the browse option. So here I am selecting this picture and click on OK button. So you can see that our background image is set. Okay students, now click on the title of the report and go to the font group and change the style of the given title. Okay students, now here I am selecting this style, resize it. Okay students, and fill the color. Okay students, now select date and change the style, resize it. Okay, and fill the color. Okay students, now again select this time given and change the style, resize it. Okay, and then fill the color. Okay students, now students, let's select the given table in report. So here let's select the whole table. Okay, and go to the shape outline option. Okay, in shape outline option you can see here line thickness option. Click on it and select any one border. Okay students, and select any one color from shape outline of your choice. Okay, here I'm selecting dark blue. Okay students, so you can see that outline borders of the picture. Okay students, now again select the whole table. Okay, and go to the shape fill option and select any one color to fill in the table. Okay students, here I'm selecting this color light blue. Okay, and you can see here that our color full report. Okay students, are you understanding how to format report? Yes. Now students, let's move on to printing reports. You can print reports using the print option under the file tab or by using the print preview view of a report. This view shows how the report will appear on a page. It also lets us choose the page orientation, page setup, and so on. Now in the next we will see how to print reports. Okay students? Now students, let's see how to print reports. First of all, click the down arrow under view option in the views group on the home tab or the design tab. So here go to the home tab and then click on the view option. Then afterwards you have to click on the print preview. Okay students, now the report is displayed in the manner in which it would appear on a page. Okay students, you can see the page preview. Now afterwards choose appropriate values for page size, margin and orientation from the ribbon. So first of all, let's see size. Now select A4 size. Then afterwards go to margins and select narrow. Now here in orientation I want landscape of page layout. Then you can see here one message. Click on the OK button and you can see our whole report is in one page. Okay students, now in the last you have to select print option in the print group and then you have to click on the OK button. Okay students? Students, chapter 3 ends here. In today's session, we learn report, creating a report, formatting a report, and printing reports. I hope you must have understood it well. And students, I request you all to practice at your home and revise all the sessions. Okay, students? All my dear champs, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.